Well, you know, some things don't go according to plan. All right, guys, what's up? Dave here. It's good to be out here today. I'm out in the wilderness, kind of, not really. But we're doing a little bit of this today. It's been almost a year since I've had this out. I've only had it out one time since we went to the Grand Canyon trip was the one time. If you haven't seen that, we have a whole series on the overland builds and all that. So figured it's time to get this thing out, go do a little camp. It's just a real quick overnight deal. Nothing serious or anything, but I had to get out of the house. Had to get out and do something. So we loaded the trailer up and we're gonna go cook some food, hang out, and that's about it. I'm just here by myself. No kids, no wife, no nothing with me today. So we'll see how it goes. Well, all right, guys, I found camp right here on this little dead end road. Should be a dead end. Some people drive further up. They really shouldn't though. Kind of a nice little spot here. Got us a fire pit over here. No fire restrictions currently. So we got this here. I'm gonna dig that out. I've got a shovel, so I can dig that down a bit. Get something going there. And got some steak there, thawing out. It's almost thawed out. So time to just get my camp set up. Shouldn't take more than just a few minutes. Alright, seeing as it's 5 o'clock, I figured I might as well get started on some dinner. So I got 3 giant potatoes here. I mean, I just don't know. I've never seen potatoes so big in my life. Thanks, Walmart. These are amazing. Get these all peeled up. Get them frying in the pan. Actually, all I got's a Dutch oven with me tonight, so I guess we're cooking steaks, potatoes in the Dutch oven. All right, here it is, New York strip steak, some potatoes, all unseasoned, no salt, no pepper. We'll see how it goes. Should be okay. Well, I got dinner done. Decided I need to get off my butt and go for a ride. So here we are. This is the base of Pine Valley Mountain here in southern Utah. Up there is a giant spring, I guess, which provides a lot of water for southern Utah. There's a big pipeline that they brought down years and years and years ago. We're talking like pioneer days almost. Probably even back, you know, late 1800s, early 1900s, they brought a first pipeline down through here. And it works its way down here, down that road, and crisscrosses. But it's pretty dark out looking that way. You can't hardly see nothing. So, kind of a cool area. It's all volcanic and granite. They call this the world's largest laccolith. If you are into geology or anything, then you'll know what that is. Here's this pipeline right here. You hear the water flowing through it. It's probably at least a 12-inch pipe. So, anyways, head back down to camp before it gets dark. Realize I just left my wallet sitting out on my trailer. Didn't lock it up, so gotta get back. Well, you know, some things don't go according to plan. Figure out what this is about. Losing coolant from somewhere. Alright, quick update, guys. Last night sucked. Hardly slept at all. It's terrible. I don't know what the deal is. Just felt kind of sick, congested, and I just tossed and turned all night long. For breakfast this morning, just something real easy. Just a breakfast scramble that I freeze-dried myself a while ago. As far as the side-by-side goes, I found a punctured coolant line coming off the overflow tank. So that really sucks. So I'm gonna have to get towed off the mountain because I don't have anything to fix it here with. I'm not MacGyver, so whatever. So a rescue party's on their way, and this did not turn out at all like I thought it would. Here's what that breakfast scramble looks like. Just some scrambled eggs, some peppers, potatoes. Pretty good stuff. Tastes fresh. Love that about the freeze dryer. Here they come. Yay, the Cavalry has arrived.
I imagine 5 miles away. I'm just glad I don't have to drive this out of here. It's his problem now.
It broke.
Do you want a new one? Because we got more in the back.
Alright, you should have. I got a really heavy duty one in here somewhere. One of these.
This road is very rough. Oh, you got a chain dragon.
Oh,
All sorts of fun.
so broke the strap and not the ratchet part, right?
Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, that wasn't the most productive camping trip. It kind of turned out not so great. I'll update you guys on what happened with the Maverick and what the fix is. I'll do another video on that probably. It's nothing serious, just a stupid hole in the coolant line. But I think it's something that other people with the same machine should watch out for. I got to still take the tub off the back and see exactly what's happening and why it happened. I have my suspicions from what I could feel with my fingers, but I haven't actually put my eyes on it to see what was going on. So, as always, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And take care until the next one. We'll see you later.